I'm diving deep into the world of CGC stock to see if it's really about to explode. Let's find out together. CGC, or Canopy Growth Corporation, is one of the biggest players in the cannabis industry. With a strong presence in Canada and a growing footprint globally, CGC has been a stock to watch for years. The cannabis market has been heating up, and investors are eager to see which companies will come out on top. CGC's stock performance is significant because it can give us clues about the overall health of the industry. The cannabis industry is known for its volatility, regulatory changes, market trends, and even social attitudes can shift quickly. One day, a company is on top, the next, it's struggling to stay afloat. This unpredictability makes it tough for investors to make informed decisions. CGC isn't immune to these challenges. The company has faced its share of ups and downs, from fluctuating sales to intense competition. Another challenge CGC faces is the complex regulatory environment. With different rules in various countries and even within regions of Canada, it's a minefield for cannabis companies. A misstep can lead to huge fines or even a suspension of operations. These risks can make investors nervous, which in turn affects the stock price. Despite these challenges, CGC has been working hard to stay ahead. The company has made significant investments in research and development, trying to innovate and find new ways to grow. This could be a major factor in its future success. The global cannabis market is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, and CGC is well positioned to take advantage of this trend. However, the competition is fierce, and CGC will need to continue to adapt and innovate to stay ahead. Recently, CGC has been in the news for some positive developments. The company reported a strong quarterly earnings report, beating analyst expectations. This was a welcome surprise for investors, who have been waiting for CGC to turn things around. Additionally, there are rumors of potential partnerships and expansions that could further boost CGC's growth. Market trends also suggest that the cannabis industry is on the verge of a major breakthrough. With more countries and states legalizing cannabis, the demand is expected to skyrocket. If CGC can capture a significant share of this growing market, its stock could see a significant surge. Analysts are also keeping a close eye on CGC's financials. The company's revenue has been steadily increasing, and its efforts to reduce costs are starting to pay off. If CGC can continue to grow its top line while keeping expenses in check, it could be a recipe for success. Some predictions suggest that CGC's stock could see a significant increase in the coming months. With the cannabis industry expected to continue growing, and CGC well positioned to take advantage, there are reasons to be optimistic. However, as with any investment, there are no guarantees. In summary, CGC's stock performance is closely tied to the overall health of the cannabis industry. With its strong presence and efforts to innovate, CGC has potential for growth. However, investors need to be aware of the challenges and volatility in the industry. If you've been following the cannabis market, share your thoughts on CGC stock in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my previous video on cannabis market trends, where we dive deeper into the industry's future.